Okay, so today we're going to be talking about the Frigidaire washing machine. This is a very simple, straightforward washer, and I have had it for years, and I have not had any issue with it at all whatsoever. That's why I like it. I didn't even upgrade when I got the house. I said, I already have one, and here it is. I mean, it's very simple. It's got 8 cycles. It's heavy duty. It's got an extra large capacity. I'm going to put my blankets in here. The dog's blankets, all of my blankets. I don't have to go to the washer or the laundromat to get those done. It's got 2 speed combinations. Super simple. You're looking at hot, cold, warm, cold, cold to cold. Simple. Size, small, medium, large. Extremely simple. Then over here, whites and colors. Really simple. And then your delicates. That's all that there is. And you can set it to 4 minutes, 8 minutes, 12 minutes, and you literally push it in, spin it, set it on what you want, pull it, and then it starts, and then you're good to go. Then it runs through the cycle, hits the off, and it does have a loud buzzer to let you know that it is done. It runs pretty quiet, not as quiet as some of the newer models, but it's in the washroom, so you can't hear it anyway. And that's what the tub looks like. Like I said, this is very old and it still looks good to go. It has a 25-year rust preventative guarantee, and so if it has a 25-year guarantee on it, then that means it's going to be working for 25 years. This particular washer here, it is the FWX833AS1 model. So that's the model that it is. It has information here on how to use it. It comes out of Augusta, Georgia, right here in the US of A. Absolutely love it. Like I said, it's got that extra large capacity. It's got a Titan 25-year wash tub. It's got a precision wash system. It's got 8 different cycles. It's got the heavy duty single speed. Oh, and it has a 3/4 horsepower motor. So yeah, I mean, I have a 5 horsepower motor on my John boat. So 3/4 of 1 horse, I think it will push a kayak pretty far. It does have the 2 agitate and spin speed cycles, so that if you needed to agitate it even more, you could do that. Or if you needed to spin another one, you could do that as well. It's got the 3 wash rinse temperature combination, which I said before, which was the hot, cold, warm, cold, cold to cold. I don't know why it says hot, cold, because it just comes out hot, and the warm, cold just comes out warm. So I don't know, the cold comes out cold. So don't know what that's all about, but there you go. It's got a self-cleaning lint filter. I have never found that or know where it's at. So if it is, it's doing its job. It's cleaning itself of the lint. I haven't had to do that. Normally you're doing that on your dryer. Yeah, that's what we have for this Frigidaire with 8 cycles and a heavy duty extra large capacity. That's the biggest thing that I like too, was that the extra large capacity. A lot of the newer ones to get an extra large capacity, you're spending upwards up into the thousands of dollars for that. So with this, it just seemed like a no-brainer to just keep it. It's about 43 inches top loader from the ground, 43 inches and 5/8. The width is 27 inches, so it's like pretty standard. The depth is 27 inches, so it's deep. That's why it's got that large capacity. I mean, that's all the way up to my armpit right there, so that's how deep it is. However, if you're short and you're trying to pull stuff out, you are going to need somebody to get it for you, or a step ladder or something of that nature. Top loader, like I said, the tub size is actually a 2.7 cubic feet. The agitator is slim, so you see how it actually is skinny up here and it goes all the way down, as opposed to taking up a lot of room. So you're able to get even more in there if you need it to. Oh, and then if you needed to get it serviced, everything just pops off right here in the front, and you're able to get that serviced, so you don't have to take it out and do everything from the back. So that's another benefit about this Frigidaire washer. Let's see, what else can I say about this washer that seems to work perfect? I do like how it's kind of color coded here, so it's kind of dumbed it down for everybody to be able to use, so you shouldn't have any issues at all whatsoever. Yeah, so the biggest things on this, for a recap, is that it has a 25-year rust-proof warranty on it. Super simple to use. You got your hot, warm, cold, your low, small, medium, large, and you have your whites, you have your colors, and your delicates. Put everything in, drop it, you see how it moves, and it's still very, very, very stiff. Gets the job done, keeps the clothes clean. So there you go, Frigidaire model Foxtrot Whiskey X-Ray 833 Alpha Sierra 1. There you go. Y'all have a nice one.